Look at us, we're vloggers now. We're holding camera above our heads.
Hi.
I don't like this start.
Why not? You can totally see Chestnut's pajamas in the thing.
Okay, well, anyways, we bought a game.
That I've been dying to get for a long time.
It's not normally a game that I would want, but it's Monopoly, and it's Animal Crossing, and she really likes Animal Crossing. But let's get the box. Where's the? You can't flip. You can't flip after you start it. No.
Oh.
That's
okay.
New phone. New phone. Okay. New phone.
I don't know. There we go. So, I'm kind of upset they put a sticker on the box. How annoying is that? Ruins the perfect. Well, the box is not so perfect, but
there was no packing, and there's already several other things about the game that I don't like, and I haven't even opened it yet. See, there's fish, bugs, and fruit and fossils, which are not as cool as hotels. And you might see this picture and think that you're getting little figurines, but no, they're these dumb little discs. So the whole thing kind of feels cheap, and I don't know.
But we have not opened it yet, so I guess he's doing the honors.
Oh, look how dumb these look.
Oh, so there's all the the tokens. Let's do this. Oh.
Here's a snack. Here's a snack for later. In this weird little bag. I don't know.
This is all the tokens. You've got fossils and all your character tokens. And then, ooh, I'm popping them out already. And then on the back, there's the bell tokens as well.
I don't know what these stickers are for, but we'll figure it out and we'll tell you after.
It looks like the bell options come in 2, 4, 6, and 10. So that's that.
Our furry son is being annoying.
Yes, he is. But he's super cute. He's totally curious.
Okay, the cards, and...
So what are the cards? Are they like...
Well, the one I can see says Life Ring, cost 4 coins.
These ones are like chance ones, I guess. It's got KK Slider on that one.
I gotta know what's in our snack bag. Okay, it's not open.
Need your pocket knife? I was not prepared for that part.
I need an adult.
Here, let me try.
Oh, I got it.
Better be worth it. Oh, what are those?
What? Did they actually give...
Do it in front of the camera.
They are little figures.
I'm so excited.
Okay, yeah, this is a little fisherman guy.
Oh, that's so cool. I want to open one.
Okay, go ahead. I'll get.
This one has a shovel. He is being super talkative.
Here's my character, the girl with the bug catcher, and the one more so we can get this over with.
Oh, with the apple.
Lady. I guess I'm fisherman guy. Anyways.
So we gotta look at the board.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm so excited to play this, by the way.
Okay, I did that really silly, but here we go.
So, I guess those 1 cards are like decoration cards or something, it says. But anyways,
It still says the regular Monopoly things of go to jail, free parking, and we saw people complaining that those could have been Animal Crossing too.
yeah, like they said,
Well, that says browse
Cosmic's
Nook.
Cranny, yeah. But anyways, it looks pretty cool, but we'll see. I think we plan on playing at some time, not tonight probably, but
Yeah, we'll let you know tomorrow how it went.
yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Bye.